How to get best Pure Gym discount promo codes. Now before you go ahead and start purchasing any subscription from Pure Gym's official site, you can go ahead and open up any available browser on your end and just simply go to this website right here. It's going to be couponfollow.com. Here, just simply look for a store that's going to be Pure Gym, and you should be getting that first option. So as you can see, there are multiple options that you can use of any of these codes right here so you can less down the price. Say for example, you'd like to get the 50% off. Simply click this option here to say show that says show coupon code so that you will be getting that unique code. Copy it, then go back to Pure Gym's official site. So that is how you find the best Pure Gym discount promo codes.